Hello students, today we are gonna start social studies class. So students, please open your social study book. Okay, and today we're gonna discuss about the chapter 3 exercise question answer. So write on your diary that today's social study class chapter 3 exercise question answer. Okay, let's start. So first fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash studies the rights and duties of a citizen and how the government works. What will be the answer? The answer is civics. Okay, civics. Civic sense means social ethics. इसका आंसर बाद में भी है, फिर भी मैं यहाँ पे दिखा रही हूँ, देखो. Ethics. A good citizen always be loyal. Okay, loyal. अच्छा. Citizens of a country are purely responsible for the development. Okay. Next is a good citizen should pay taxes fairly and on time. Okay, so इसका आंसर आप लोग देख लो. First one is civics, next is ethics, next is loyal, number 3 is loyal, number 4 is development, number 5 is fairly. Okay, number 1 is civics, number 2 is ethics, and take a screenshot also. Civics studies the rights and duties of a citizen and how the government works. Civic sense means social ethics. A good citizen should always be loyal to his country. Citizens of a country are purely responsible for the development of that country. A good citizen should pay taxes fairly and on time. Okay. अच्छा, next is number 2, write T for true and F for false statements. So number 1 is civic sense is the right of an individual towards a society. That one true. Okay. Next, a good citizen should always obey laws and respect authority. Obviously true. A good citizen should vote for the political party that makes big promises. No, obviously not. False. Schools and homes are the best places for children to learn various kinds of civic sense. Yes, right. True. Next is neighbors are people who have moved from villages to cities. No, obviously not. जो हमारे पास में रहते हैं उसको ही बोला जाता है नेबर्स. सो दैट इज़ फॉल्स. सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ ट्रू. second one is true, third one is false, fourth one is true, and number 5 is false. Okay, true, true, false, true, false. Next question is, what is civics? The study of a person's rights and duties as a citizen is known as civics. Okay, first question is, what is civics? The study of a person's rights and duties as a citizen is known as civics. Next question is, what do you mean by civic sense? Civic sense means following the law of the country and maintaining discipline in public places. Okay, civic sense means following the law of the country and maintaining discipline in public places. Take a screenshot. Who is citizen? A citizen is a person who really lives in a country and has the rights and protection of that country. Citizen वही होता है जो लीगली एक देश में रहता है और उसी देश का जो भी राइट्स है, प्रोटेक्शन है, वो करता है. That's we call a citizen. Next question is, what are the characteristics of a good citizen? So being a good citizen, citizens of a country are purely, ये जो 5 जो है, what are characteristics of good citizen, ये 5 लिखना है, ये नहीं लिखना है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. ओके, यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये नहीं लिखोगे. A good citizen should obey laws and respect authority. He should not break the laws. A good citizen should be aware of his civic and social duty. He should vote wisely to choose the right candidate. He should pay taxes fairly and on time, etc. etc. Okay, तो ये 5 जो है, ये 5 आप लोगों को लिखना है. ये 5 आप लोगों को लिखना है. 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, 5 characteristics of a good citizen. How can you be a good neighbor? A good neighbor should be friendly and helpful with others, not disturb others through his words or activities. Keep his neighborhood clean and help others in doing so. Be kind and considerate towards old people, physically disabled and poor people. Okay, how can be a good neighbor? तो ये बहुत ही सिंपल है, आपके बुक में ही है ये 4 characteristics, so you can mark them. Okay. I hope you all take a screenshots. सो आज के लिए इतना ही स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय एंड कीप लर्निंग.